Hello everyone, it's the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. So XRP seems to be consolidating in the 50-cent range. We saw some price correction occur from its highs of where it was almost at $1. It was at around 80 cents. And one point I wanted to make before I get into the technicals is XRP likely could have hit $1. For those of you who don't know, Coinbase went down just as XRP surged up to about 92 cents, okay? So Coinbase went down. This, in my opinion, prevented a lot of people from putting in more money than they would have been able to, because you have to remember, we have to separate cryptocurrency investors into three categories: institutional, seasoned, and your average person, okay? Now, your average person is primarily using Coinbase. I mean, Coinbase is the most popular cryptocurrency app when it comes to buying and selling cryptocurrency. And if it goes down, that is a huge blockade to the average person being able to buy cryptocurrency. That's just the reality of it. So in my opinion, I think XRP likely could have hit $1 if Coinbase hadn't went down. Now, does it necessarily mean it would have? No, but we could have seen it go a little bit higher than where it topped off at in the short term. Now, I am still very bullish on XRP for a variety of reasons, some of them fundamental and some of them technical, but in this video, we're just going to focus on the technical. Right now, XRP is behaving just as I expected it. We got to a new low, okay? We got to a higher low of about, where was it? It was about 46-ish cents roughly. Okay, that was our new low that XRP put in, and it was just under the 50-day moving average, okay? And currently we're going sideways, all right? And this to me can represent some buying opportunity for newer people to get in on the price. Now, RSI is still not oversold, so that is telling me we could basically have a support in, like I said, at around 40-ish cent, or excuse me, around 49 cents. However, in terms of consolidation, I think we're going to consolidate between 46 cents and about 60 cents for the next week or so. Now, this might not occur if we see a ton of more buying volume come in, and this could actually break us out of this sideways channel. But as of right now, we are in a sideways channel. Now, you can see this triangle that is kind of formed from this trend line and this 50-day moving average. Where are we right now? We're out of that triangle, guys. We broke out of that little price channel that we were in. So even though XRP is down from where it was, we're still up significantly from where we were just 2 weeks ago. Okay, I think we're still up about 80%, 70% if I'm not mistaken. All right, so vortex indicator, we are getting near another crossing. So we had a negative crossing right here, and that of course signaled, look at the price. It correlates perfectly with the vortex right over here, and we start to go down. Now, we're going sideways right now. That is not a bad thing in my opinion. It's exactly what I want to see. Now, one thing to note though with the MACD indicator is we're coming close to another crossing. So when you're watching this video on 11/28, it's very possible today is a good day for XRP. I'm not saying it's going to be, but it's very possible simply because of the MACD indicator coming close to a crossing. But putting that aside, yes, XRP can be up today. Expect at least a week of up and down, with the new price bottom being at 46 cents, okay? Now, if XRP goes under 50 cents once more, I am going to put more money into XRP. Now, I was buying around 20 cents, and I've been kind of looking at where should I add some more, If it goes under 60 cents, me personally, not financial advice, I am going to add some more XRP to my portfolio. At the current price, I still don't think it's a bad bet, simply in the long term, because I see XRP going north of $10, $8 to $10, a lot quicker than other people think. I think it's going to happen fast. I think it's going to surprise a lot of people, and I think it's going to make a lot of people a lot of money, possibly be a world record for the most amount of millionaires made from a cryptocurrency or from a digital asset. That's just my opinion. I'm not saying it's going to be the case, But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you buying XRP? Are you selling it? Are you hodling it for the long term, which is, in my opinion, the best bet for you? Let me know in the comment section. Also, please, please, please like, subscribe, and share this video. If you want the word of XRP to get out there, sharing this video is crucial for this channel to grow and for the YouTube algorithm to push this video even further. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a great day. Inbox Dollars allows you to earn extra money doing paid surveys in your spare time. Use my link below in the description and you will earn a $5 bonus for sign up. Do not miss out and be sure to use my link.